everything is listed. I can show you a place on YouTube where I have got lots of videos of my own. Uh, this on YouTube on Swayam Prabha IIT Madras channels. If you go, you can find videos which are created by me. So this one is like educational technology part 2. The videos are for educational technology, for educational psychology, for you just so
Ma'am, we have a
so yeah,
query.
this one is related to like there is this playlist. So there is this playlist. So you just have to scroll and see. So there are around 170 videos which are in different subjects. So they are all created and placed here. Educational technology, educational psychology. Then there are videos on sociological and psychological foundations of education, and there is one project on gender, school, and society, which is covering 37 videos, but it is yet to be launched. So approximately 130 videos are online; they are in public domain, and the rest of the 38 videos they are going to be launched very soon by the government. So this one is like just a pool of resources. They're all free in public domain, so very use uh, those for your own purposes. Okay, so that's just
Ma'am, we have a query,
yeah.
from Dr. Ronisha Sengupta, that can chatbots be manipulated to spread misinformation or harmful content?
Any type of tool, any type of AI tool can be used for this purpose. But the only thing which we can do here is whenever we are utilizing any of the tools, we need to first master it. You first read, you first go and search all those things, and then create through those tools. After creation, uh, creating some content from them in terms of images or videos, there is no any problem. If you are making a prompt and utilizing those images, not a problem. But in case of text, suppose you have created an essay, that essay or some information which you have created, you need to check that information, and if possible, just take that particular creation AI as an analogy, and then write the material by your own. That is why, because nowadays what is happening, all the plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin or any of those tools, they have got AI detection integrated. Although we don't have an AI policy right now, but still there is a negative apprehension in people that when somebody is writing something using AI, then that fellow is not utilizing his or her own capacities. Although it's not correct, but everyone is not aware of this thing, and that is why they make it a taboo. So try to use the Copilot or Gemini or DeepSeek or ChatGPT. If you are creating something in the form of a text, use it as an example and create on the basis of that particular creation that you create your own. In that case, in this way only, you will be safe from those plagiarism detection tools which are now detecting AI also. And the chatbots or these type of things, if like the apprehension with Sneh AI, what people said, that suppose a student has asked something and shared some private information, then whether that information would be misused by that system or not, it can misuse, and that is why we are not. We don't have to give the entire information. We can give the information in some pieces. Even if a person is using a social media platform for this, like people do use Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or
দিদি আছে
then also
কালকে
they
যদি
do.
তোমার ইয়ে খাও তার জন্য দুধ
Please,
আর
please
ফল
mute yourself.
আর really sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't realize that my mic has been on. I'm really sorry, ma'am. To
No
interrupt.
problem, no problem. Please switch it. Yeah. Is there any other query?
Yes, the last one. So we can take the last query, another relevant one from Dr. Mudhupana Chakraborty. That how can users identify whether we are interacting with a chatbot or a human?
Suppose there is a call, like in case of phone call, the chatbots are very arbitrary. Like they call when the chatbot is calling, na, at times for creating the just a minute, na. Hello. हाँ हाँ समझ लो. So I'm sorry, it was a call from my scholar because there is some sort of program happening in the department. So मैंने अपने scholars को वहाँ पे बिठाया था. So they were asking that whether now they can go or not. So मैं उसको avoid नहीं कर सकती. Okay, sorry. So there was this question that what was the question? Kindly repeat.
Whether means how can the users identify that whether we are chatting?
Yes, yes, yes. So, like when the call comes, na, and if a chatbot is calling, you can you can make out that the voice is very mechanical. Still, there is a humanization of AI also. Yeah, human AI or humanized version of AI, but still that humanization is not very perfect. In near future, maybe after few months or a year, you will find very human voice, human like voice, which this chatbot is calling. But still, right now, the human voice, they try to mimic, but the voice looks very or seems very mechanical. And what is my submission in this case? Like if you get a call from any XYZ number, you receive the call and you find some machine speaking, just switch off the call spontaneously and block the number. Don't entertain because there are certain deepfake sites. Deepfake is a software which is used to make the uh, the exact copy of your voice or your facial expressions. Your if you have used a lot of videos on your social media platform, then you are very much vulnerable. Why? Because see, the AI model, what it does, it analyzes the facial gestures, the sentiment analysis. For the sentiment analysis, they require videos. If you have just added a photo, a static photo, you will be very safe. Static photo, it would be having a single expression. Na? It requires a lot of expression, moving expressions to analyze and create a data set. So if there are so many videos and a lot of videos with your voice placed on your social media account, then you are very much vulnerable. You must have observed those, like there was this actress Rashmika Mandana. She was like this deep fake was created because she is having all the videos and movies and all those things. So sentiment analysis and facial gesture analysis and the deep fake which was created for her was just like it was so precise. It was very difficult to identify that whether it's a fake or it's a actual this thing. So for layman, for a normal person, try to avoid placing videos with voice and your actions on social media, because the deep fakes are possible only if you give your information, your data to people. And when it comes, a call comes, you can just like in a few seconds you can identify it's not a human being calling but a chatbot. You just switch off the like you keep the call, close the call and block the number. This is the only way in which you can actually save yourself. Although in future there will be more difficulties which we are going to experience, but right now this is this is basically the solution which we have got. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for this truly enriching session. It has really been so informative. And ma'am, if you could just share your PPT with principal ma'am, it would be very helpful for the participants. And on behalf of Nabu Paliganj Mahavidyalaya, we also expect to see you on our campus offline someday. So that's a request from all of us. And it has been a really enriching session for all the participants. Thank you.
Rajashri, can I add something? One sentence. Thank you, Dr. Khan, for sharing your knowledge and passion with us. We look forward to applying the insights gained from your lecture to enhance our teaching and practices. Once again, thank you for your time and expertise. कलकत्ता में मिलते हैं, कलकत्ता में मिलते हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल. अभी आप तो दिल्ली आ रहे हैं, आप दिल्ली में मुलाकात होगी.
See you then.
So thank you so much once again, Ayantika madam, Rajshri madam, rest of the participants, and also Dr. D. Bhattacharya. Yes, he called me up and he actually initiated this talk. So thank you to him also, and to the entire team. Best of luck for rest of the program, and I hope that this AI and ICT initiatives, you are going to use them with a positive mindset, and don't be fearful. They are all our assistants. मैं कई बार बोलती हूँ अपनी क्लासेस में जब मैं रेगुलर क्लास लेती हूँ, people ask कि AI यूज करेंगे तो ये ethical नहीं है क्या, ये वो. I said that do you have a Kamwali bai at home? So they say yes we have. तो मैं पूछती हूँ क्या वो अनएथिकल है काम वाली बाई रखना? So they say नहीं. तो मैं फिर उनको बोलती हूँ कि अगर ऐसा है, अगर वो अनएथिकल नहीं है तो AI यूज करना भी अनएथिकल नहीं. In case of if you appoint a chef, suppose there is a function and you appoint a chef for making food, because that at that time it will be difficult for you to make food. So that is not unethical. And if this chef comes who is an extraordinary chef and you ask him to make just motichur laddu, he will make that only. If you ask a specialized dish and you give a command कि आप ये बना दो जिसके अंदर आपने ये फिलिंग करना है, इसकी ग्रेवी में ये वाला स्पेसिफिकेशन, तो वो वैसा बनाएगा. तो AI भी तो यही है. So just be cautious about things and use it sensibly with a proper know-how, and it is going to do wonders for you. Thank you so much once again, and see you anytime soon. I have never been to Kolkata. Whenever I am visiting there, I will definitely try to visit you. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So with this, we wrap up the third day of this FGP. So again, we will be meeting tomorrow, and the link will be shared accordingly.